Hello friends, welcome to Nand classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Today we are going to do few questions of polynomial where we need to check whether given expression forms a polynomial or not. There are total A to G parts are there. One by one we will discuss every part. But before that, one concept should be clear to everyone. That expression is going to be a polynomial if exponent for x if exponent for x is a whole number. It cannot be in fraction, it cannot be in decimal, it cannot be a surd, anything, right? Just remember this rule and let us try one by one. If you look at part A, you can also guess your answer. You can write in the comment box that part A, whether it is a polynomial or not according to you. Part wise you can give the answers and can compare it. If you check the A part, it is square root of 2x square plus 3x plus 5. As just now I told, exponent of x should be a whole number, then it will be a polynomial. But many students do a mistake here. Just looking at square root of 2, they start thinking that third is being used, so it is not a polynomial. That becomes wrong. Your focus should be on term containing x. That means x square, x without x, only constant, that's not a problem. So this is a polynomial, I would write yes. In fact, what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is 2 because highest exponent means the degree. Okay? Okay, let's move to B part. What is your answer? You can tell me first of all. It is just x plus 1 over x. Maybe few of you, but many students do a mistake here. They say that okay, this is having x power 1, this is also having x power 1. So this is a polynomial, but actually it is not. Why it is not? Because this is 1 over x. If you write it properly, it's coming x to the power minus 1. Exponent can never be negative for x. You remember I told it should be a whole number. Minus 1 does not come in a whole, it's a negative integer, right? So answer is no for second part. When answer is no, so there is no question of degree here. C part. 3x to the power 5 plus 4x cube minus 2x to the power 1 over 2. Do remember, many of you might be thinking that degree is 5 here. Few of you would be thinking correctly also, don't take me wrong. But yes, this is not a polynomial. I have taken all those cases which usually comes in exam, students get confused. That's why I'm making this video. Here, my focus was on this particular term, that x is having exponent as 1 over 2. That means root x, square root of x, which is not possible. Variable cannot come as a surd, and or in other words you can say exponent cannot be a fraction, so it is not a polynomial. Next one, yes, this is a polynomial and it is having degree 10 because x is having highest power 10 here. E is also a polynomial. Even though x power 0 is written, that means its value is 1, right? X power 0 gives you 1 and its degree is 0. Degree is 0. Now please don't say that if x will be 0, then what will happen? 0 power 0 is not defined. That's a separate lecture, we can prepare on that. But as of now, do remember, if exponent of variable is a whole number, then we will say it's a polynomial. F part is also a polynomial. This is actually known as zero polynomial. What is the name of this? Do remember, it is zero polynomial. And G part 7, it is known as constant polynomial. This is also yes. There are separate names for this. 0 means zero polynomial. Other than 0, if any constant value is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, anything, then it is known as constant polynomial. But yes, this is a polynomial. I had made one video some time back. For 0 polynomial, degree is not defined, but because you don't know, 0 is the coefficient, you don't know it's going to be 0 x power 0 or 0 x power 1 or 0 x power 2, anything can come, right? So this is not defined degree for F part. For last one, G part, degree is 0, because 7 means 7 times x to the power 0. My variable is having exponent 0, that means degree is 0. So do remember, for constant polynomial, degree will remain 0. For 0 polynomial, degree is not defined. I hope you are clear with the concept. This is very important to all, for all the students wherever this kind of chapter is there in the curriculum. I hope this is clear, everyone. Thank you so much for watching today's video.